Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by giving Assistant the rights it needs. This is why it can work when the screen is off. First, open Assistant settings and enable voice match so it recognizes you. Then allow microphone and background activity permissions so it can listen without the display. Finally, enable lock screen access. This lets Assistant act while the phone is sleeping. Once these are set, make sure battery optimizations won't stop background listening. This prevents the Assistant from sleeping when the screen is off. Now refine how Assistant hears you, because accuracy matters when the screen is off. You'll retrain voice match with 3 to 5 clear samples so the model recognizes your voice in different tones. Next, test microphone sensitivity in a quiet room and move closer if recognition fails, and be aware that loud background noise reduces reliability. Then exclude Assistant from aggressive battery optimizations so the process stays active. Once done, test with a simple command like, "Hey Google, what's the time?" while the screen is locked. Finish by configuring security and a quick troubleshooting step. You can enable personal results on the lock screen when you want calls and messages read aloud. Weigh convenience versus privacy. If Assistant doesn't wake with the screen off, retrain voice match, toggle lock screen access, and reboot the device. This clears transient glitches. If problems continue, update the Assistant app, inspect microphone permissions, and test recording audio to rule out hardware faults. If everything else is correct, contact device support for a deeper diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.